Thomas Eisner. Biodiversity is the greatest treasure we have. Its diminishment is to prevented at all costs. The word biodiversity, from biological diversity, refers to the diversity of life on Earth at all levels, from genes to ecosystems, and includes the evolutionary, ecological, and cultural processes that supports life. It includes genetic diversity, the total number of genetic characteristics in the genetic makeup of a species. Species diversity, the number of different species that are represented in a given community. Ecosystem diversity deals with the variations in ecosystems within a geographical location and overall impact on human existence and the environment. Diversity is critical to the systems that sustain all life on Earth, including people. Without a diverse assortment of animals, plants, and microbes, we cannot maintain the healthy ecosystem that gives us with the oxygen we breathe and the food we consume. People also value nature itself. Sad to say, human population expansion and resource usage are threatening biodiversity, resulting in reduced species richness. Land use, pollution, resource exploitation, and the introduction of exotic species are all local issues that contribute to biodiversity loss. Ecological services are no longer enough to fulfill social requirements. Biodiversity loss can have serious consequences for human health. Changes in ecosystem services have an indirect impact on livelihoods, income, local migration, and in certain cases may generate or intensify political strife. Biodiversity that are vulnerable to extinction require our utmost attention. We need to ensure that significant changes at a policy and a collective individual level are made, such as biodiversity conservation, where we protect habitats and limits agricultural activities that can destroy biodiversity. Such as myself, when I buy grocery, I always bring my own bag to limit the usage of plastic bags. I also recycle all plastics that I can find within my perimeter. As my saying goes, one small action helps multiple of species. I implore you, my people, to let us help together and conserve biodiversity where we support conservation efforts. We must reduce our use of fossil fuels. We need to collaborate internationally, and I am hopeful that we will.